Rain. It's an interesting phenomena. It falls from the sky, and the saying goes that when it rains, it pours. And when each drop falls and makes contact with surface and has impact, it shatters into a million more small droplets. Just like the choices we make each day. Hey, it's Jen. I'm vlogging. Let's get this started. There comes a time in your life where you want to call the shots and make the decisions, but self-doubt can set in and you're afraid of the consequences it might have on your career, your family, even your relationships. You feel like you don't have control over your own destiny, and sometimes even that your voice doesn't matter. It's in those moments that I have to remind myself that if I do one thing every day that works towards the future that I believe in and that I envision for myself, that eventually it'll build up, and before I know it, I'll be closer to my destination. But in the meantime, you just can't give up. You gotta keep trying, hold your head up, and know that you'll get there.
But